Neymar Jr., one of the most talented players in football history. Let's see how much he earned. Every year from 2009 until 2025. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. 2009, at Santos, he earned $600,000. 2010, still at Santos, $600,000. 2011, his salary rose to $1.2 million. 2012, $1.7 million. Twice he joined Barcelona and made $14 million. 2014, $12 million. 2015, $18 million. 2016, $29 million. 2017, moved to Paris Saint-Germain, $49 million. 2018, $49 million again. 2019, same, $49 million. Wait, before we continue, can you like this video? It helps more people find it and keeps me motivated to make more content. 2020, $49 million. 2021, $56 million. 2022, $56 million again. 2023, joined Al Hilal, $100 million. 2024, same, $100 million. And finally, 2025, back to Santos. $2 million. That's Neymar Jr.'s journey. From humble beginnings in Santos to one of football's highest paid players in the world. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more football salary comparisons. And comment who I should cover next.
Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage.